Good morning all, this is Marvin Gill from StockMarketPlan.com coming to you today with the market watch for February 3rd, 2011. Let's dive right into the action here. In front of you, you have the S&P 500 Trust on a 5-minute chart, intraday chart of the action on February 3rd. And I want you to pay particular attention to the close of the previous session. That's this white line right here that I drew. Okay, the dash line, plotted line, whatever they call them. Okay, and then this right here is the low of yesterday. Okay, and let me zoom out a little bit so you can see the high of yesterday. That was yesterday's range, pretty tight range. So with that said, let's move forward. Okay, so we opened up, we gapped down because here's yesterday's close. We gapped down when we opened. Okay, and we pretty much traded sideways, chopped around a little bit. Okay, and then at 10 o'clock we had numbers come out. And this is just a classic shakeout, what technical analysts call shakeout, where numbers come out, something spurs a sharp drop like this, and volume increases like that while you're coming down. Okay, big players, I guess, trying to get out of the market, and then the rest of the day the volume quieted down, which is expected as we head into the 12 o'clock area. That's people go to lunch and it gets nice and quiet. Okay, and we rallied up. Okay, we rallied up. Okay, so this is very bullish because it tells me this is a fake out. We come down here, we use these numbers as an excuse, whatever, and then we start working back. Okay, and that's what we did the rest of the day. This gray area here is the aftermarket. Okay, and this is the pre-market. Okay, there we are right now. That's where we're at, 4:10 in the morning, Friday morning. So anyways, just a beautiful pattern here of a shakeout with a rally to end. And that's what you want to see in a bull market if you're long. If you're long stock, this is the kind of action you want to see. You want to see the whatever issue, in this case the S&P 500 is what I'm watching. Whatever you're watching or trading is you want to see it just rally into the end and actually close into new highs. Here's yesterday's close, here's yesterday's highs. Okay, I just wanted to give you that picture. Overall market trend is still bullish until we start breaking key support levels. Nothing changes. I mean, throw at the market what you will. Give me every excuse you want to give me. I'm still gonna hold true to these pictures here. Let me just show you what I mean. I'm gonna zoom out to a weekly chart. Let me remove all this stuff I have in here. Okay, and let's zoom out a little bit and come back over here. Okay, this is a 2-year chart of the S&P 500. I mean, let's use this one better here. Okay, let me extend that to the right. Okay, nothing looks bearish about that. Nothing. I mean, so if I go back to a daily chart, there's that line that I just drew. First line of support, second line of support. I would dare say right here there was a consolidation pattern, so we can probably draw one right here. This would be probably like the third. Okay, I just take your pick. And then the 200, there's convergence here with the trend line I just drew, this red trend line. So I mean, it's just support all over this market. And that's what most people don't understand that don't follow technical analysis. Well, everything is so uncertain, and they get caught up in the noise and the news, and this is where it's at. They make investment decisions that are not based on actual technical analysis. I mean, fundamental analysis. This here is technical analysis, and basically, they just make badly timed decisions, investment decisions. So just wanted to share that with you. I will post comments that you leave. I'm interested to hear your thoughts and what you think, especially from a technical standpoint. If you have other levels here that you like, I definitely want to see those. Again, this has been Marvin Gill with the Market Watch for February 3rd, 2011. Good luck, guys.